I'm going to show you how easy it is to install a font that you find somewhere else onto your computer to use on your Cricut Design Space. So the first thing I'm going to do on my fresh canvas here is go to text. I am going to type dog mom because that is what I want to cut out on my design space. The next thing I want to do is choose a font. Now, for argument's sake, let's just say I have looked through all the Cricut fonts. I have looked through all the system fonts, and I can't find one that I want to use. Now, just for your frame of reference, system fonts are the ones that live on your computer. So they are the ones that either came with your computer or that you've installed and are using on your computer. So for our sake, we are going to go over to an external source, and I'm going to go on the internet, and I'm just going to go into fonts here. And I'm on Creative Fabrica because I really like the wide selection of fonts that are available there. And I am just going to scroll down until I see one that I kind of like. So let's see, is there one here that we kind of like? Let's see. Hilda's kind of cute. So let's choose Hilda. So I'm going to select it. And because I have a membership, I'm logged in. It is included with my membership. I'm going to click download. And then what I'm going to do is go over to my downloads folder, and I am going to find the font file, Hilda, that I just downloaded. So I'm just going to search for that. Here it is here. And what's going to happen is it's going to pop up and ask me if I want to install it. Now this process is pretty much the same regardless of whether you are on a Mac or a PC. The only difference is if you're on a PC is that you may have to extract the files first if they are in a zip file. Okay, so I'm going to click install. You would do the same thing on a Mac or a PC, it doesn't really matter. And now I have Hilda installed on my computer. As you can see, I have 888 fonts installed on my computer. So what's another one, right? So I'm just going to close that because I don't need any of that open right now. I'm going to go back to my Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to search for Hilda. Under my system fonts, I'm going to search for it. But darn, it can't find it. So what do I need to do? I've installed it onto my computer. What I need to do is I need to close Cricut Design Space. I need to quit and reopen. And I'm just going to start a new project again. It was so simple to type dog mom. But if I had a big project on the go, I would have definitely saved it. Okay, so I got dog mom here. I'm going to go over to my fonts, and I am not going to choose the Cricut ones because those are the ones that are built in. But I am going to go over to my system fonts, and I'm going to type in Hilda. And there it is. There is the font that we just downloaded. I'm going to change that, and now I can resize it to the size that I want. Or if I know exactly what size I need it to be, I can change it up here in the font size. And now I am good to cut that out. I hope this helped. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please be sure to put it in the comments. And thanks for watching.